July 19th. Grandpa Joe offered to help out, so he's going bush hogging on the old Massey. Just put the battery in it and pulled it out after 2 years of setting. Of course, the one tire is completely ruined, but guess what? Pack Rat had some sitting around. Found them at the scrapyard a couple years ago. I knew the rims were getting bad, but yeah, pretty happy we had some spares to do a quick NASCAR pit change. So, okay, on to the next thing. Oh yeah, there we go. You did the pre-trip, right? Yep. Yep, we did. We got her. She's good. Here's Grandpa Joe. He's doing a good job. He's got a Massey on the farm. His dad bought it brand new. It's a little bit newer than that one, but he's an old pro at the old Masseys. Oh, this should be just fine. I swear I drove my dump truck through here. I think I did. So that's the well, the hole. So that concrete looks okay. So the goal is to save that, but just this cap is all messed up and needs to come out of here. So gonna carefully pull it out of here. I want to kind of dig down and then put flat stones around here and then have that shed end up kind of about the same height this is. So probably have to dig down about a foot to get the stones in. Check the oil in the digger and get right at her. Bush hogging's looking good, just brought him a water. Said the old Massey's working good. Tires are looking good. So the cable that runs this dump broke. Like, the whole cable moves and it's not supposed to. The plastic connector broke. So we're gonna unload with the digger. I just went to get in the excavator and it ran out of fuel, so I guess we'll go get fuel. Okay, so going to try to get fuel ended up in me losing my phone. It's gotta be right along here. It's getting closer.
Yeah, dog, the guy ran over too. Good.
Yeah, right on, yes. Nice big Ranger track right on the screen. What a day, man, never a dull moment. Beautiful Sunday morning, July 20th. Down here at the excavator, somebody ran it out of fuel. I knew it was low, I should have filled it up. Ooh, that looks like the Wagner's cutting hay on the other side. I came over to talk to Noah yesterday and he shut the machine off, and then we talked for a bit, and then I came to get in it and went to start it, and I just hit the key quick and it didn't start. Tried it again quick, didn't start. I'm like, what's going on here? Gave it some fuel and then it was I'm like, oh. I checked the hour meter and sure enough it'd been 8 hours, and that's it. The fuel gauge has never worked on it since I've owned it, and I've always gone by the 8-hour rule. I knew it was getting close. Hopefully I don't have to crack injectors to get it going, but if I do, so be it. Paying my tax, my silly tax. Usually takes about half an hour to get it going, having to crack injectors. Haven't had to do it in a few years, but there's Mama. We're taking the truck into Tweed to drop it off. Let's see if it'll start. It'll likely quit. Maybe. So far so good. Oh, there it goes. It's chugging. It's chugging. I don't know if it's gonna quit or not. Just ran it for a minute. Got lucky that time. Don't make that mistake again. And here's what we ended up with here. Got the old water trough and stuff moved and most of the concrete out. What's left is formed around that leg, so I'm gonna have to break it out of there. Well, that turned out not too bad. Just out for a Sunday afternoon tour and inspection. There's the neighbors. Buck laying there. Denny's nice work, Duramax. Meow. And then Jordan's over doing some work on the dump truck. Possibly doing some work on that too. So the dump lever cable broke, the plastic nut that holds it. So if you're running the farm truck, you gotta fix her like a farm truck. That's how you get her done. Okay, that didn't go as planned. Put the dump all the way up and it blew that threaded collar right out of there. Yeah, neat. The vice grips and C-clamps work though. Well, I got her threading back in. Don't worry, I've got my safety sandals and 6 safety blocks. Don't have a pipe wrench big enough. I'm getting it. Yeah, got it. Guess I should maybe put a chain from the bottom of the box to the frame so this doesn't just shove right up out of here again. This is definitely not the first time this has happened. Just putting some chains from the box to the frame so it doesn't do what I did to it last weekend.
Cut it to length.
Cut it to length with the welder?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Nice.
That's right, cut it.
Chains just lay on the plywood there and sweet. That should work. Good job, Jordan. Thanks for fixing your dump truck for me to use.